Yeah, hi friend. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to explain you regarding the enhanced salary of LTI, Larsen and Tauber. Some people call LLT, some people call LTI, Larsen and Tauber Infotech, or Larsen and Tauber. So let's start. And in this video, I will tell you regarding the different program. I would just target one program, that is a GET program. That what would be your CTC, how long would be your training period, what would be your enhanced salary during your training period, and what would be your salary after completion of 1 year in LNT. So all these questions answer would be I would try to answer in this video. And if you have any query, then please comment in the below. I will try to answer your query. So let's continue. So if you as per 2022 to 21-22, Larsen and Tower LNT used to give an offer of 5.2 LPA for the GET programs for the freshers. Okay, so what will happen? I mean, if you get an offer from LNT and if you join there, you will be having 3 month notice period. Sorry, 3 month training period. In that 3 month, they will train you in some technology. It can be a Java, .NET, SAP, HANA. I mean, any different any technology. They will train you for the 3 month, and based on your performance during the training, they will judge you. Okay, though, so they will take few exams and you have to do good in that exam. Okay, and I mean, it's not that tough, but you have to be focused in that time. Now you might be thinking, okay, I mean, we have a I mean, if you join an LLT, we have a training period of around 3 months or so. Do we get any salary from on that time, or there would be any deduction? So if you get uh, an offer from LNT and during your training period, you will be getting a salary as per your CTC, mean around 38,800 something. I mean, one of my I would say known person who joined there, he was getting their salary. So you would be getting salary of around 38,800. So now, I mean, in 2 year it might get increase or some change, but as per my uh, information which I got from him, he used to get that. Okay, now what would happen to the other amount? See, the other amount would be added to some other component like provident fund. I mean, 1,800 per month would be added to the provident fund. Then 7,722 would be added to gratuity, and 6,773 would be added to mediclaim. Okay, so total 37,031 that would be added to your retirees or other benefits. So if you talk about CTC, if you sum up all those things, your CTC will become 5,26,031. But in CTC they mention as 5.3. No, you have done everything. You have done well. You have completed your training. Then at the end of a month, you will be getting at around 38,800. Now, the second thing, another component in your CTC would be your variable. See, variable. I mean, variable is not fixed, but for freshers, it is around 30K. So if you are in a project, I mean, it will be based on your performance, that how you have performed in LNT, and based on your performance you can get a variables bonus of around of 0 to 30K. I mean, generally people get 25 28K, and if we done exceptionally well, then they get the full variable. So variable is not a problem, but if you are not in project, then then this variable may get decreased. Okay, so for first year, if you join LNT, your salary will be 38,800. That would be your take home salary after other deductions like PF, gratuity, medical insurance premium. So all those deduction, you will be getting a salary of 38,800. Now after you complete once you complete your 11 month, uh, then in next month, mean, mean, I would say, and on 12th month you will be eligible for uh, what to say, promotions kind of thing, promotions. Based on your performance, your salary will increase from, I would say, 8 to 12K. So, so after 1 year, if you join L&T, your enhanced salary would be around 46 to 50K. So that this is, I mean, and second thing regarding the bond. So coming to the service agreement, so L&T has done one thing good, that they don't have any service agreement. And I think this is the thing I like about the LLT, that it don't have any service agreement. So if you join there, if you don't like that company, or if you get better offer from the LLT, then serve your 1 month notice period if you are within first year of your career, and leave LLT and join the new company. And if you have been there for more than 1 year, then I think you have to serve 2 month. It may get increased to three, but I don't have the latest news. But 2 to 3 months you have to serve, and then you can join a new company. Third thing, the bench period in LNT. LNT, mean, the bench period in LNT, one thing is there, that they have a 45-day bench period. Mean, some people complain me regarding this also, that LNT has a very less bench period. It has a 45 days bench period. If you don't get a project by your own, or by clearing your project interview, then they will wait for 45 day. Then they will check for the suitable project where you can join there. Else they may ask you, after trying everything, if they don't find anything, then they may ask you to put the paper down. I heard this thing. I have never seen this thing from my eyes, but since I heard, it's better to clear this out, because you will be commenting again that, hey Firdaus, you haven't told about the notice bench period in the LNT. So I think these are the thing. I have explained you regarding your enhanced salary, how much your salary will get increased in LNT, uh, your service bond. I think no service bond are there in LNT. Your notice period, if you want to leave LNT, so serve one month notice period if you are within the training, and then you can, or for the first year, then you can join the new company. So I have explained you everything, and if you have any query, then please comment below, and please like my video. And I would like to thank you all for 1 year, for my 1 year journey in the YouTube. You have been pivoted, you have been there, you have supported me throughout this year. And I would just request you that if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my channel. So thank you, and bye bye.